Yeah, please, I want you to take note of this, okay? This AV wire, this is 1:3. 1:3. Okay? It's still the same thing with this type. This one is 3:3. 3:3. So they are still the same thing. Some decoder makes use of 3, while this 3 will go to television. Okay? So they are the same thing. While some decoders make use of this 1:3. And this 1:3, some decoders like GoTV decoder, DSTV decoder, they make use of this 1:3. This one goes at the back of the decoder, while this one goes to the television. But if you want to transfer the sound to home theater, you separate this yellow from this two, this white and red. You separate them. This one will go to the home theater, while this one will remain on the TV. For the picture to be on the TV, while the sound goes to the home theater, okay? Yes, if you like this video, subscribe to my channel or go and check out the full video. Thank you very much.